Spread the word. Top Shatters is back. Kiss me, baby.
I kissed him in Miami.
Oh,
I'm the first person in 10 years to kiss him in Miami.
10, you mean 20?
20 years.
One see
Legendary
them.
kiss.
Legendary. One see them, I never do. But this song don't mean what?
How we bound.
See them.
If you're not gonna get back to me.
If you don't still look at me, we get back my visa. Yes, a bit.
What is some memories?
I'm out.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll talk about Vybz Kartel finally confirming that he got his visa. We got also video footage and confirmation that he actually landed, because as you know, there were two plane crashes. There was one in DC and then another one in Philadelphia since evening or since night. So we're just glad to know they reached CFI Immasidem land. I think that Grammys is on Sunday the 3rd. So he's definitely heading to the show. Imash and Sia have a compete for the #1 spot. So we should tell them the best. Glad that he arrived safely. Big up Vybz Kartel. And if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share.
We are coming into the manto. See the two coordinator them, yeah? The two wicked.
One.
So if you're living under a rock, Vybz Kartel is back in the United States after 20 years. Him and his fiance is shown here in this video celebrating that they finally, were successful in their application, being rewarded with a visa to see America in such a long time, and finally is able to be present for the Grammys on Sunday. Now, I also saw that Vybz Kartel dropped a video. And guess who's in the video? None other than Ishawna. So I want to know how Footah I feel about this, because it is a very raunchy video. Take a look at this.
Hey, scatter, don't vex with me. You're pretty brown and I have sex with me. My body so good she keep texting me. Feel a good pussy there, be caress me.
Boy, some feathers are going to be ruffled for sure. Yes, because Kartel say Scatter don't vex with me. But me don't think she and Scatter still there. In my Footah I not there either. But it just fun to me. Would you like the song? Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. So Vybz Kartel was an interview the other day with Amo Media. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but she asked some good questions. One of them was if Freedom Street was going to be an annual thing. She also asked him about his impact with the global music industry, and also how does he keep up with having to keep his classic dancehall hits with keeping up with the now new trap dancehall. So check out this interview.
Your Freedom Street concert was monumental. So many fans are calling it for an annual event. Is this something that you'll consider? Like, would we get a Freedom Street festival in the future?
Definitely, yeah. Oh, that's a good question, because what we want to do this year, is actually do it a little earlier. In December, but a little earlier, and maybe do it over 2 days.
Okay.
Yeah, so when you said festival, I was like, wow, she knows.
Yes, I need my invite to Jamaica.
You got it.
Yeah.
You got it.
How do you balance preserving the legacy of the classic hits with the creative challenge of delivering new tracks that resonates with today's dancehall landscape?
Oh, that's easy, because remember, like, I sing my truth, And once I sing my truth and I do it from the heart, I know it's going to work. So these songs are going to become classics. Like even on the Jamaican landscape, I released a song like a few days ago and it's at 1 million views already. I'm out. The Straight Vibes, which was the first single from the album, which is also a new song, it's like at over 2 million views in a few days. So the classics are there and they're preserved and they're well kept. So now all I did was add new classics.
Do you ever reflect on how your legacy has shaped the global music scene?
I mean, sometimes I don't. I mean, like I said, I just do it second nature, but I'm aware of the influence of Vybz Kartel. I mean, Drake said it. Cardi B says I'm a favorite artist of all time. I mean, DJ Academic said the same thing. Nicki Minaj, Rihanna, you know what I mean? So yes, Wizkid from Afrobeat, Shatta Wale. So yeah, I understand my influence and it feels good, of course. It's a humbling feeling, man, and it's an accomplished feeling because I put in the work. It's not like it happened by accident.
So apparently a member of the Reggae Fest tour was hanging out with Blak Ryno, and they are saying that Blak Ryno will be on a show with Vybz Kartel in America. I don't know how soon, I don't know if I know if I later. But this is what he said. I remember I said Blak Ryno the American. I don't know if you know if he must have certain people the marijuana. But he must say excited to see the teacher and him after the past stage show with him. I don't know if maybe they might talk about performing at the Grammys or maybe they go have a show with this company. But check this out. This is the promoter and Blak Ryno.
You feel like I'm here alone, I got a pan cartel show when him far with a rascal America.
But I see the what?
You feel like him not touch the stage?
Yeah.
You feel like the bad pit me not touch the stage?
Yo, what up? Big up father, see it?
Yeah.
Family have a feel about them big.
Listen, we not talk about that. That's our part. God is the greatest. Big up Cartel.
We know God, we are not.
Him a far with America.
I'm see a fire treatment general. Come on, see your fuck.
Brother, we're outside. You know what go.
Speaking of overseas, as you all know, President Trump is on full force deporting everybody that's not white. Black, Jamaican, Latino, Caribbean, all of them are come home. Andrew Oldest has a message for everyone that's returning, all the criminals. Him have a message for you, you better keep on yourself because them a look out for you fuck up, and once you fuck up, you don't know them are putting you behind bars. So this is the message he has for y'all. Check this out.
Be clear that for those Jamaicans who intend to come back with crime and violence to undermine what we have been building here, let me be clear to you that this is not the Jamaica that you left 10 or 20 years ago. It is not the JCF that you left 10 or 20 years ago. You will either meet a judge or your maker if you come back to Jamaica and violate our laws and create havoc.
That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Like the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.